Hey guys, my name's Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the gospel country song Me and God, written by Josh Turner. You can download the lyrics and the chord chart by looking at my description below. There's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs and you can download the lyrics and charts that I'll be using as part of this lesson for free. So let's get started. There ain't nothing that can be done by me and God. Ain't nobody gonna come between me and God. One day we'll live forever where the angels trod. Me and God. He's my Father, He's my friend, the beginning. He rules the world with a staff and rod. We're a team, me and God. Okay, this is how you play Me and God in the key of C. If you like this video lesson, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, to play this song, and we're going to be using the chords of C and F major and then G major. Those are the chords we'll be using on the verse, okay? And if you look at the chord chart above, we'll look at the introduction. I just use the chord progression of F and then G, C, A minor, then back to F, G, and then hold the C out for a couple of measures, and then we'll start singing the verse. Okay, quick review of the chords. The F, you just want to use finger number 1 to bar the first 2 strings on the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings, and that makes the F major chord. Okay, to play G major, place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4 on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. And that's G major. Okay, and then the C major chord, finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, skip a string, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string, and that makes a C major chord. Okay, and the A minor chord is similar to the E major chord. You place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but the top string. And that makes A minor, A minor, okay? So that makes up the introduction. So to play the introduction, you just play, and I'm gonna play this slow. Start off with the F. And then you start singing, okay? Okay, I'll play that again and I'll just kind of count the beats to the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start singing. Let's look at the verse. The chord progression of the first is the C again, F, C, G, back to F, and then C, and that's all there is to it. So to play the verse, it goes, there ain't nothing that can't be done by me and God. Ain't nobody gonna come between me and God. One day we'll live forever where the angels trod, me and God. Okay, the second verse, usually they do verse 1 and verse 2 together, back to back, before they actually sing the chorus. So we'll use the same chord progression and play the second verse. Early in the morning, talking it over, me and God. Late at night, talking it over, me and God. You could say we're like two peas in a pod, me and God. Okay, if you notice, I'm just using down and up strokes. I'm just kind of emphasizing beat number 2 and beat number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kind of emphasizing beats 2 and 4. Okay. You can just do a steady down and up rhythm without emphasizing that, and it'll sound just as good. Okay, now let's look at the chorus. The chord progression for that is F on Father, and then a G, then a C, and then we're playing that A minor chord that I showed you earlier, and then back to F, G, and then F, G, C, A minor, F, G, C, okay? Okay, just follow along on that chart below. So I'm gonna play the chorus real slow, okay? We'll look at that, okay? And we'll be ending the verse on the C chord, and then we'll sing He's my Father. As soon as we say Fa, the first syllable of Father, you'll hit the F chord, and then on there, play the G chord. So it's Father, like that, okay? So it goes. So we'll start with C there, and then we'll go into F. Here we go. He's my Father, He's my friend, the beginning and the end. He rules the world with the staff and rod. We're a team, me and God. Okay, let's look at the chorus one more time. We'll play it through, okay? Father starts with the F major, okay? So we end the verse with C, okay? He's my Father, He's my friend, the beginning and the end. He rules the world with the staff and rod. We're a team, me and God. Okay, and you can just kind of play F, G, C for a turnaround, and then do the third verse. I'm weak and He is strong, me and God. He forgives me when I'm wrong, me and God. He's the one I lean on when life gets hard, me and God. Isn't that great? And then he ends the song with a tag at the end. So it kind of goes back into He rules the world with the staff and rod. Okay, if we just look at that chord progression, it's just basically repeating half of that chorus again that I showed you earlier. So if we look at the tag, He rules the world with the staff and rod. We're a team, me and God. Then it's A minor. We're a team. Just hit that one time, then sing me and God. Then he has like an outro of F, G, then C. Then that outro is just F, G, C, then hit F, C one time each to close it out. All right, it's just a great, fun country gospel song to play, written by Josh Turner, just a great song. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found and you can follow my free guitar lessons. And tell a friend about my YouTube channel as well. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.